The OLIGHT Sphere C is a compact ambient light that adds soft color and practical task lighting to desks, shelves, and bedside spaces. In this review, we'll cover the key features, who it's for, the rating, and frequently asked questions, so you can decide if this small magnetic light fits your setup. Let's begin. Key features. To begin with, it gives you both soft white lighting and color options, so it can shift from practical desk use to relaxed ambient lighting in seconds. Also, the magnetic base is a real everyday advantage because it lets you place the light quickly and adjust its position without much effort. On the practical side, the rechargeable design keeps the setup clean and portable, which is helpful if you like moving lights between different spots. Finally, the small form factor makes it easy to keep on a nightstand, shelf, or workspace, although that compact size also means modest overall output. Who it's for. If you are a desk user who wants softer lighting without clutter, this helps add mood and a bit of usable light in a very compact form. For someone setting up a nightstand and trying to avoid a harsh lamp, the Sphere C gives a gentler glow that feels easier on the eyes at night. Content creators who need quick background color in small shooting spaces can use it to add visual depth without carrying a larger light around. I would not recommend it if you need a light for a large garage workbench or any setup where you expect strong, task-focused brightness across a wide area. Rating. For brightness and lighting modes, the score is 4.2 out of 5. Great for close-range glow and color variety, but not built for large spaces. For portability and placement, the score is 4.8 out of 5. Compact size and magnetic base make it very easy to move and position. For battery and charging, the score is 4.3 out of 5. Convenient rechargeable use suits everyday short sessions well. For build and design, the score is 4.6 out of 5. Looks polished and feels purpose-built for visible desktop or bedside use. For value for ambient use, the score is 4.2 out of 5. Strong value if you want style and flexibility more than maximum brightness. The final score is 4.4 out of 5. In its range, the value for money is very strong and clearly competitive. Frequently asked questions. Can the OLIGHT Sphere C light an entire room? No, it is best for small areas, close-range use, and ambient lighting rather than filling a whole room with strong light. Is the magnetic base actually useful in everyday use? Yes, it is very convenient because it makes quick placement and repositioning much easier than a fixed small lamp. Is the OLIGHT Sphere C good for content creation? Yes, it is good for accent lighting and background color, but it is not strong enough to replace a main key light. Final thoughts. Overall, the OLIGHT Sphere C earns a strong 4.4 out of 5 for being such a flexible little light. Its biggest advantage is the mix of clean white lighting and RGB color, which makes it easy to use for both everyday lighting and a more relaxed atmosphere. The main thing to keep in mind is that this is not the right choice for places like garage workbenches where you need broad, powerful task lighting. But for desk setups, bedside use, or adding a bit of style to a small space, it makes a lot of sense. If you want to check the current price, the purchase link is in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews. See you in the next one. See you next time.